2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, 2020 Ford Explorer Platinum, 2020 Ford Explorer Street New Cars Buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Ford brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, 2020 Ford Explorer Platinum, 2020 Ford Explorer Street New Cars Buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, 2020 Ford Explorer Platinum, 2020 Ford Explorer Street New Cars Buy. Ford last redesigned the Explorer for the 2011 model year, and despite being nearly 8 years old at this point, the three-row crossover is still one of the best-selling vehicles in the mid-size segment. The Explorer manages to overcome questionable material quality and poor ergonomics with a stylish design, an excellent infotainment system, powerful engine options, and several near-luxury trims. Based on what we've heard, though, it sounds like Ford's ready to redesign the Explorer again, most likely for 2020. Official information is still limited, but here's what we expect from the next-gen Ford Explorer. New platform. The 2020 Explorer is expected to share a platform with the new Lincoln Aviator. That means it will most likely be rear-wheel drive based, with all-wheel drive available as an option. The CD6 platform was also designed to accommodate front-wheel drive layouts, but we don't see Ford going that route with the new Explorer. That's because a teaser image Ford released shows an SUV with a longer dash-to-axle ratio, suggesting the engine will be mounted longitudinally. Proportions also appear to be similar to the rear-drive Aviator concept, pictured above, with a sloping roof and a pronounced belt line. Plenty of room. The Explorer may be changing platforms, but it should still offer plenty of room for the whole family. Expect the new version to continue offering seating for 7, or possibly 8, passengers, as the Aviator concept showed it has plenty of room for a third row. Look for a more spacious cabin, as well as a layout that uses space more efficiently than the current Explorer. The Expedition will still be significantly larger, but when the redesigned Explorer arrives, families who were considering upgrading to the highly rated full-sizer may find they don't need to do so. Technology. When Ford last redesigned the Explorer, adaptive cruise control was generally a feature reserved for luxury vehicles, and backup cameras were a common option. These days, adaptive cruise control is standard on the Toyota Corolla, and every new car is sold with a backup camera. In order for Ford to stay competitive, expect the Explorer to come packed with technology. Co-Pilot 360, Ford's suite of active safety features, should be offered, but it probably won't come standard. Look for the latest version of Sync to offer an impressive amount of connectivity, as well. Sport and utility. Ford hasn't said much about the new Explorer, but we do know one thing for sure, there will be an ST version. Like the Edge ST, the Explorer ST will most likely replace the Sport model. Currently, the Explorer Sport makes 365 HP from a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, but we expect Ford to add a good bit more power, potentially pushing it past the 400 HP mark. Look for the Explorer ST to get a rear-biased all-wheel drive system, as well as a sport-tuned suspension and active roll control. Hopefully, it will offer enough performance to give the Dodge Durango SRT a real run for its money. Powertrains. In addition to the ST's twin-turbo V6, expect the next Explorer to offer several more pedestrian options, as well. The current 2.3-liter Turbo 4 should stick around, but there's a chance the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 may disappear. We also wouldn't be surprised to see Ford's 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 added to the lineup, potentially making an Edge ST matching 335 HP. As far as transmissions go, the current 6-speed auto will most likely be replaced with the 10-speed unit used in the recently redesigned Expedition. Pricing. Currently, a base Explorer costs slightly more than $33,000 with destination, the Explorer Sport is around $47,000, and the top-of-the-line Explorer Platinum starts just under $55,000. The 2020 Explorer, however, will likely be a little pricier even if the increases aren't as large as we saw on the redesigned Expedition. Expect the Explorer to start around $36,000 and top out north of $60,000. As for the 400 HP Explorer ST, that version should be priced in the low to mid $50,000 range. Thanks.